In order to find digital sessions for each class, the student has to actually go into the class that they are looking for. Now, over here on the left side, they can click digital sessions, and you can see we're in math right now. So she can see, this student will be able to see all of the sessions that are available to them. This lesson will be like where they go for their main lesson. And then if the child's meeting with their teacher in small group, that would be under the small group lessons. And then any recorded lessons or anything extra would be under review. That is the case for each subject area. So that was math. If the student is to go under social studies, they would go to digital sessions. And again, see something similar. We have social studies main lesson here, and then some additional small group lessons over here that the teacher might use. This is true for all of their academic classes. So we have English Language Arts here. If you go to digital sessions, this child has a few different sessions available to them, but generally they're going to be labeled for the day or for the week as a whole group lesson. And then small group would be where they meet in smaller group with their teacher. And then of course recorded review lessons over here under review.